Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's turn this old gajra into a vibrant floral rakhi for this Raksha Bandhan. To make this rakhi, you need some old stuffs like white gajra, a vibrant color flower, example yellow color, a thin red ribbon, beads from old mala, bond fix, white circular sheet, and that's it. So let's get started. Initially, narrow one end of the red ribbon and start inserting golden and white bead. First insert golden bead so that the rakhi is secure, then start inserting white bead alternatively. Repeat this 3 times and insert 2 golden beads in the center, and again repeat this process for the other end also. You can see here I have attached an image for more clarity. Now part these 2 rows from the center and paste a white circular sheet in the center with the help of a bond fix. This will become the base of the gajra. Now use bond fix or glue gun to paste the gajra. Paste the gajra very promptly in the center. Paste some glue gun or bond fix in the center and stick the yellow flower on the white gajra. And here our floral rakhi for this Raksha Bandhan is ready. Thank you so much for watching the video so patiently. Have a nice day.